Hello, everybody! And, yeah, it's a bit of a weird opening for this part of the video now that I realize it, but that's because I have spent a long time trying to get this game to actually work. This particular boss fight I have attempted multiple times, and every single time it is bugged out on me. So I'm gonna give this one last shot. Hopefully, the game actually functions like it's supposed to, and we all get to have a grand old time. The, gimmick of the boss is pretty simple. You got these giant rings. I have a harpoon. And the goal is to drop the rings on the dog. Kinda like that. Except on top of a dog. Oh, I was hoping for more of a splash. Oh, hey, there's the dog right there. And I smashed the wrong ring. Well, on the bright side, I think this still actually damages him. Just very, very little. Something I like about the dog boss is that you're able to just harpoon him. Also, he just carries me with him. Look, I'm riding him. He is the least threatening boss in the game by far. She's just absolutely unintimidated by this man. Coward. Now go into the ring, you fat lard. Come on. Come on. As you can probably I have done this boss fight numerous times. And I just want to get this over with. Oh, are we going into a ring? This might be the quickest ring yet, because usually it takes me like 10 minutes to actually pull this off. And for once, it's only going to take me like, I don't know, it's been like 3 minutes maybe? Gotta hit this just right. Did it work? There we go! And now the Battle of the Doge begins. Hey. I'll stab you in your stupid face. I'll stab you in your stupid shellback. Least threatening boss ever. What's this? We're going under another ring? If you insist, my good dog. I'll take us both out. And now things get exciting. Because the dog is actually... No, it's still just a dog. Oh! I am on fire. How? What damaged me there? No! Alright, it looks like we're right about to get back into it. I'm right next to its face, and we're heading for another ring. Just please don't bite my butt. Oh. I guess that's one way to stop yourself from getting hit by a ring. Oh, it's already landing. Here we go. That's ring number 2. And now we are back where we are last time. And now here's the exciting part. The fact is, that's no dog. That is the Bismarck, of all things. And I am taking heavy fire. Wow, that thing's got some range on it. Just trying to repair my boat. Said I'm trying to repair my boat. Alright. Well, god damn. Now can I repair my boat? Alright, I think everything is fine. Oh, this is way different than last time. Last time, that thing wasn't using its guns at all. Aim higher. Wow, you're an even worse shot than I am. At least I hit every once in a while. Sometimes. On a good day. Kinda don't want to get close to this thing. But I'm not going to be able to hit it if I don't get close. But those main AA guns are just tearing me apart. Are those AA guns? Ugh. It does so much damage that I have to repair after every shot. Or I guess not, because that would repair like almost instantly. Okay. Okay. This is fine. Now where did it go? Oh, it's right there. Hya! 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 None of these are hitting, I don't think. Well, I guess there's really only one thing to do. Trying to hit it from the back. 'Cause going at it from the sides clearly wasn't working. Going in at it from the front's probably not a great idea, but I imagine there's a blind spot in the back, which it probably can't tear me apart with its guns from. So let's test that theory. Just had to make sure that I was recording. Ugh, this is so scuffed. Nope, I get close to it and I instantly get sunk. Alright, attempt number 3, let's go. Fortunately, the strategy of just riding the turtle to the rings is still perfectly valid. This is how I'm going to stay on top of him, by staying on top of him. Oh, a ring's coming up. And I'll get back to you when the battle has truly begun. Alright, we are right back in it once again, and now I am inside him. That's right, I disabled your guns this time. What? What? Sir, sir, you are underwater. You can't fire naval guns underwater. Well, I guess he can, actually. But at least I was able to disable his, like, auto turret. Now here comes the real question. How do I actually fight him without getting torn to shreds? Because that is a lot of gunfire. Where'd he go? Oh, there they are. I don't think I'm hitting any of those. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to hit anything at this range. Well, at least he's always telling me where he is with constant gunfire. How polite of him. I don't want to head directly for them, though, because I feel like if I do, I'm just going to run straight into their bullets. Unless they use predictive shot. Huh. They seem much less accurate than the last time I fought them. These bullets aren't even coming close to me this time. Whereas last time, they were hitting me, like, perfectly. I still haven't found any weakness for this guy, though. Like, every other boss has had some big glowing weakness spot, but not him. I wonder if this is how whalers felt while hunting whales. My good sir, could you catch a few of these? Catch him with your teeth. Apo. I'm fine, though. Everything is going to be fine. Don't worry. I'm going to ram it. That didn't hit. Oh, those might actually hit. Never mind, they missed horribly. So that makes two of us. Now, you think it'd be easier to hit a giant moving island. But no, apparently not. There we go. Here's a nice spot. This is where I want to be. What are you gonna do with no main gun, retard? Ah, it appears to be, slapping me. With its turtle slappers. Ah, I don't want to get turtle slapped. I wish it was quicker to repair your boat. Because it really takes away from the action of the game. Sha! 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 What's my character's story? I like to think that I'm just some Korean fisherman who just decided one day I'm gonna hunt giant monsters in my little fishing boat. You know, take a break from harvesting clams or whatever it is Korean fishermen fish. Probably fish. Are clams fish? I'm pretty sure they're mollusk, but are they fish? Are there any clams in SpongeBob? Like, surely there are. What am I rambling on about? I'm just sitting here, fighting a giant dog that's actually the Bismarck, rambling about SpongeBob and clams. Wow, you really go crazy when you're sitting here in a room, alone, trying to talk to yourself. I just realized my mic could be muted. I never even considered that. Okay. Yeah. I feel like this boss is a little too unthreatening without its main gun. And it has no weak spot. At least none that I've been able to find. Bonk. 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 I guess bonk's probably not the right word for this. You're not really bonking it, I'm stabbing it. Does this damage you? Yes, it does. So I'm going to use this because... Actually, I can't use that. Where am I? What is this? What is that? Oh. Oh dear. Never mind, I'm fine. Zoop. This is oddly relaxing. Just calmly killing a giant monster. Chill oceanic kaiju hunting. Those spears are actually landing, by the way. You can see its health bar moving. I've been playing Minecraft for too many years to not be able to get a good. What am I saying? What does Minecraft have to do with this? Absolutely nothing. I'm just rambling again. Towards the danger, the enemy is that way. Hello. I'm gonna eat you, doggy. This is taking a lot longer than any of the other bosses. Yeah, the turtle boss. Definitely not the game's strong point. I mean, dog. Elden Ring joke. And now I get to engage in thrilling melee combat! My favorite type of combat. I get to throw spears into a giant black wall of incoherent details. Also my favorite. I get to laugh at your silly guns. No running away. I'ma get you. See, now that's just unfair. I can't react to those. You're a cheating turtle. You're a very cheating turtle. You cheat. Ah. Ah, I'm gonna die. Goodbye, world. I lived! Trying to get a good angle where I can actually see what's happening. Nothing much apparently. And we're good as new. I'm getting that security deposit. Seriously, does this thing have no weakness? Is it the only boss without a weakness? So that's kind of lame. Just die. You're not even fighting back anymore. Just die. Do you have any idea how many harpoons it takes to kill a destroyer? Lot. Lot. Oh, there once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of that ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew hot about her down, oh blow, my bully boys blow. Huh! Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tugging is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed, the captain's mind was not on greed, but he belonged to the whaleman's creed, he'll take that ship in tow. I don't actually remember the whole song. I might get copyright struck for that anyways. Whatever, it was a remix. There we go. It was a remix, legally distinct. The turtle isn't firing its guns anymore. The dog has given up. It no longer functions. Is this a bug? Is it supposed to be doing this? Because this is what happened the first time. It just stopped firing. I guess the first time it was never actually firing in the first place. Why are you so tanky? Just die. I will jump on you and stab you to death. Don't you test me. Is this the thrilling gameplay that everyone logs on to see? Is this what they want to watch? Just this? Just a man hucking endless spears into this thing? You know, this turtle needs a backstory. Why is it a giant gun? Why is it filled with guns? Is this thing even alive? Are any of the giant creatures that I fought alive? Are they all just robots? Is someone building them? Well, it looks like we're getting to the end of our adventure. Kinda feels bad to just murder a defenseless turtle. You know, a defenseless turtle made of giant metal guns and pistons. Don't you get away from me. Overall, a neat boss fight, but it really leaves something to be desired. Needs a weak point. Needs to be both stronger and weaker. Like, its main gun just feels a little bit too strong, but without its main gun, it's just too weak. And then it stops firing completely? I'm not sure this is the intended way to beat the thing, but I've already tried recording this like 6 times. Bye-bye! It's still alive? Hello? There we go. Yeah, there were no critical